Let's talk about the biggest lie in fitness. They told you the only way to transform your body is to move non-stop in sweat buckets. But what if the real secret to strength was hidden in stillness? This is the science of isometric training, the fitness world's best-kept secret. And today, I'll show you 6 stillness-based moves that can completely redesign your body for strength and stability. Years of sitting at a desk or in the car wreck your posture. The fix isn't crunches. It's waking up the muscles on your backside with the Superman hold. Lift your arms, chest, and legs. Squeeze everything, glutes tight as bowling balls. Back fully engaged. Imagine your body stretched from fingertips to toes. This resets your entire posterior chain. A strong back means nothing without a strong front wall. The hollow body hold is the foundation of gymnastic strength, targeting the deep core, your body's natural weightlifting belt. Press your lower back into the floor. Lift your shoulders and legs. Hold that banana shape. The shake you feel isn't weakness. It's your nervous system firing at full power. Neglecting your obliques is like building a car with no doors. The side plank fixes that, building armor on your sides and protecting your spine from twisting forces. Lift your hips like a string is pulling them up. Feel it from your shoulders, down through your obliques, all the way to your hips. This is lateral stability at its best. Most people ruin push-ups, flared elbows, sagging hips, and injured shoulders. The fix? Stop moving. Master the isometric push-up hold. Lower your chest just above the floor, elbows tucked at 45 degrees. Brace your core. Keep your hips in line. Your chest, triceps, and shoulders ignite like a coiled spring. Dead butt syndrome is real. Your glutes forget how to fire, leaving your back and hamstrings to suffer. The single-leg glute bridge hold wakes them up. Drive through your heel, lift your hips, and hold. This isolates each glute, correcting imbalances and rebuilding your strongest foundation. And finally, the wall sit, the king of mental toughness. Slide down until thighs are parallel to the floor, knees at 90 degrees, back flat to the wall. At first it feels easy, then the fire builds, then the shaking begins. This is where strength turns into grit. Bruce Lee himself swore by this hold for focus and resilience. Start with 30 seconds each for single-sided moves. Do both sides. Rest for 30-45 seconds between holds. Progress to 45 seconds. Then a full minute. 3 to 4 times per week builds a foundation like steel. You're not just building strength, you're forging resilience, posture, and a body that lasts. For more strategies, check out my free newsletter, link in the description. And before you go, don't stop here. Watch my next video on top 5 isometric exercises for body transformation. It's right on your screen now. Trust me, your future self will thank you.